So if you want to chat with me, I just started a new Instagram and TikTok completely for the Boss Fam, totally dedicated to you guys. I have like no followers over there, so go follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Cleaning Boss Family, because that's what we are. So Cleaning Boss Family on IG and on TikTok. I will no longer be responding to any cleaning business stuff on any of my other pages. So go follow me on there. I'll be happy to chat with you. You can DM me or what have you. But I appreciate you guys being here. This channel doesn't exist without you. I always try to provide as much value as I possibly can. So if you do not have a way to present your business, your cleaning contract, your cleaning proposal to your potential client, I have a template in my description. The link in the description says free proposal template. Go check that out, download it. You can customize it for your own. Take my pictures off, put your pictures up, and make it your own and match it to whatever your offer is to your client. And it's in a pretty way, and so that it makes it aesthetic and presentable to your clients, and really increases your chances of closing that contract and that deal. If you are looking to book a consultation, then the link is also in the description. Go and click the link in the description and schedule a time that works for you, and it'll put you right on my calendar, and we can work through whatever problems you're having in your business and get you to the next level. Again, I love y'all. I really appreciate y'all being here for me. Stick with me through this little rough patch, and I promise I will be back soon. I'm gonna start doing lives every Tuesday. Not sure what time yet. I'll probably make a community post or something about that, but stick around, man. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.